Hi guys, today we are at Freshly Squeezed. Let's order their bestseller, pineapple pomegranate juice. To prepare the juice, they take 1/3 jug of pineapple juice and mix it with half jug of pomegranate juice. With all the mixing, I don't know what quantity of juice will I get. But let's calculate. 1/3 plus 1/2. But how will we add these? These quantities have been taken from mugs that had different markings and therefore are different quantities. To add these two different quantities, we must pour them in a flask which will have markings such that both these quantities can be measured. What could be the marking that can exactly cover the amount 1/3 and 1/2? All we need to do is to find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3, which is 6. We will now find the equivalent fraction of 1/3 with the LCM as the denominator. So 1/3 is equal to 2/6. Let's pour it in the jug to see how many markings it covers. Similarly, 1/2 is equal to 3/6. And now, when we mix them together, we get 5/6 of this jug. So the total quantity of juice that I will get will be 5/6 of the jug. Wow, that's a lot of freshly squeezed juice. This addition is exactly what we would do to add 2 or more unlike fractions. The first step is to find the LCM of the denominators. Here, the LCM of 3 and 2 was 6. Now we will change the fractions into equivalent fractions with denominator 6. Now that we have like fractions, we will add the numerator and write the denominator once over the sum. And that's how we got the total juice that I'm enjoying here. Now, let me enjoy my healthy yummy juice while you go and practice some more addition on unlike fractions. Bye! See you next time!